and this will dry it up really nice, sir.
That's all I use. That's all I use on this thing.
Here's your money back.
Oh, thank you. Let's let it dry.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, Connor Guasti YouTube channel. We are at the racetrack, but that doesn't look very good. You need help with that?
What's up, big dog? I'm hoping it's the winning ticket.
Dude, I mean, you like the exhaust underneath?
No, I'm joking. There's only a couple things I really like. I just want the cars to be able to fucking drive down the road.
What was your name? Are you Corey or? Yeah, Connor. Nice to meet you, dude. Yeah.
You got pop trunk. I want to see. Or did y'all cover it all up?
I covered some of it up. I got to get some new springs. The 90 pounds that we went with.
Okay.
The 90 pounds that we went with are too light, so
okay.
It's
the squat.
No, the coilovers. When you make adjustments on them, it doesn't affect the ride height like it should. The car is just too heavy for 95-pound springs.
So even if you put more load in, it's still squat.
Yeah, it's still like after I reset it, it's fine. But if I like push on it with the anti-roll undone, it'll settle to one side. So I just threw the factory style springs back on and left the AFCO shocks on instead. So
like we were clear all day, and then
yeah, I left Wald. That's when I texted in the group. I was like, "Hey, what's the weather look like at the track?" Because I was in the driveway like it's about to dump in Waldorf.
It still doesn't look great. But it all stays.
About to get hit with some rain.
We have a super expensive timing system. All this electronic. I was about to make a real good pass.
But it looks above us on the radar. This is the radar the track uses. Yeah, I'm just seeing what's coming in.
The lightning's too close. We had to shut down the timing system on the track. Right when we get on the line. Then the lightning went away. Then there were raindrops. And I'm hoping the raindrops go away. Connor's hanging out. He's waiting. So patiently. All we want is a pass. Let's go. We're just trying to get a pass. Rain.
Oh, look at that power window. What?
Streetcar, power windows.
You can't win, dog.
Dude, it's okay. I mean, I gotta drive home in the rain.
Yeah, but you need to get a hit.
You can't win, dog.
Dude, it's okay. I mean, I gotta drive home in the rain.
Yeah, but you need to get a hit.
Oh, it's raining now.
Yeah. If you cover the light.
No, I can see it's raining now.
I can't hold him up. It's a little bit stronger, guys. Then it's fine.
Reversing it. The streetcar. Ooh, look at that raindrops.
Can't get a break, huh? Happens.
Can't get a pass.
Yeah, but I'm having fun. This is the easy part, sitting in the race car. I don't have to do anything, just sit in here.
Hey.
Clinton, everybody wants to know why your car is so slow with that turbo that's bigger than my one-car garage. Crazy.
So we're gonna start out. This
Oh, here's everybody. Everybody come tell.
Come on, everybody come on over. It takes a village to build something like this, guys. Come on.
We need to figure out
When
why.
he starts the car, John comes up and he has to get the turbo spinning. He has to give it a kickstart.
So what you're looking at is your basic 302, all right?
It's a push rod, right?
Yeah, push rod.
Push rod 302.
Right, we got a S475 right here, something small, but she does the job. All this piping is just extra bullshit. We don't really need that. The car's in the 620s on 75 pounds of boost.
620s in the 330, right?
Yep.
Okay.
It's getting there. My driver, where's he at? There he is. There he is. He's honking a horn. Go talk to him. Go talk to him.
Oh shit! Should have showed him the best weld on the car. All right, let the camera know I welded this.
This looks
Corey
like
Gates welded that.
that looks like Holly did that.
That came from Holly like that.
That's JB Weld. 100%.
We're trying to figure out why it can't even do like 6s in the 330. That's what they're saying.
So slow.
Can't do, yeah.
I mean, it's stock everything. Stock motor, stock turbo. This is what came from Ford.
Just like this.
Yeah, it's a stock
This
gear
is
too.
this for the air conditioning right here?
Check this out. I'll show you exactly what it's for.
Okay.
When you want to change the oil and you don't feel like popping the hood, right to your oil.
There you go. That's what it's for.
I thought it was here, so we cut it first. We were wrong.
This is for the coolant. No, not for the coolant. You can't reach
We
it.
just cut wrong. We went there instead.
Dang, you don't what? Where's your mechanical water pump?
That is mechanical.
It's just down here mechanical. Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's different. I made it.
We were talking about you have Bluetooth charge air. You also have a Bluetooth water pump?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay, so I lost Mary Kate. She had to go. Cassie locked her keys in the truck or something. So she's got to ride her back for a spare key. So we're no cameraman on the outside. It's just going to be a ride along this time. We're going against Clinton.
Christopher Moses, we need
Not
to
going
your
against.
car immediately. Christopher Moses, to your car immediately. Listen to the staging lanes. Anybody that's in the staging lanes that has been down the track, go ahead and go back to the pit areas. We're going to finish up with vehicles that have not made a run at all, and we're going to go right into elimination. So once again, if you're in the staging lanes and you've been down the track once, go back to the pit area. Once again, anyone that has not made a run, lanes 3 and 4, or any vehicle
takes forever to come up on the brake. So I know what I have to do. Pretty good. Either that or Clinton was either asleep or he spun the tires at the lick, or I don't know though. It felt pretty good. It felt like it spun just a little tiny bit, but nothing that I wasn't gonna let out of it. It didn't feel like it was spinning that much. This is a no time class, by the way, so I'm not going to be talking really about, not really going to be talking about times, out of respect for the other racers. But I will say that my first time back in the car for a while, that felt a lot faster than it actually was. That felt a lot faster than it actually was. There are some limitations to how much of a street car it is. This is a limitation.
When you have a race car that's a street car and it starts raining. Thank goodness for good friends. Oh, is it raining? Hey, thanks, Grant.
No problem.
Thanks for rescuing us.
You know Clinton Smith, right?
Yeah.
It's his fault I'm here.
Yeah, it is.
Oh yeah.
Clinton's fault.
Grant, we flipped a coin this morning and said, are we going or not?
And the coin flip said no.
The coin said, don't go.
And then Clinton was talking shit. I did get one run in.
That's alright, I had my car loaded
Savior.
up, ready to go.
Our savior.
Then it got dark as shit at my house and I changed my mind.
Anyway, I was sitting in the driveway and I was like, man, I don't know if I'm gonna go. And I texted in that note block, the class, the Facebook page or group or whatever, and I was like, I was looking at the track and they're like, it's clear here. I'm sure, I mean at the time it was clear, but
The reason I trailer my slow ass car to the track.
you don't have to. Well, that's going to wrap up today's video. Big shout out to Grant for coming and saving us, picking us up. The car did make it back safe. Got unpacking to do. Good time hanging out with the guys over there at the track. Clinton, Corey, Kevin. It's nice, you know, hanging out with you guys, meeting everybody. Tim, F6. It's cool meeting you. We'll see you guys next time at the track. Thanks for watching. Like always, comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next video.